Google Play is essential for Android users, but when error 963 appears, apps may fail to download or update. Don't worry, this error is fixable. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix Google Play error 963 quickly. Part 1. What is error 963 on Google Play? Error 963 is a Google Play error that prevents the app from working properly. When it occurs, you may not be able to open Google Play, download apps, update the Play Store, or use related services, which seriously affects normal Android use. Part 2. The causes of Google Play error 963. App cache. Too much cache data can affect Google Play and trigger the error. SD card. Downloading apps to an SD card instead of internal storage increases the risk. Play Store update. Error 963 may appear after updating Google Play. Part 3. Tutorial. How to fix error code 963 on Google Play in 11 ways. Solution 1. Clear Google Play cache. App cache can cause error 963, so clearing it is the first step. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store and Google Services Framework. Clear cache and data. Solution 2. Move apps to internal storage. Apps installed on an SD card may cause error 963. Move them to internal storage. Go to Settings, Apps, All, select the affected app, move to device storage. Solution 3. Unmount the SD card. If moving apps doesn't work, try unmounting the SD card. Go to Settings, Storage, unmount SD card, then reopen Google Play, and try downloading or updating the app again. Solution 4. Downgrade Google Play Store. Error 963 may appear after a Play Store update. Try uninstalling updates. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, uninstall updates, and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 5. Re-add Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, remove, restart your phone, then add it back. Solution 6. Factory reset, last option. Backup your data first. Go to Settings, Backup, and reset factory data. Reset phone. Solution 7. Update Play Store and services. Make sure Google Play Store and Play services are up to date. Solution 8. Check app permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Affected App Permissions, and allow required access. Solution 9. Free up storage. Low internal storage can trigger error 963. Delete unused files or apps to free space. Solution 10. Disable VPN proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy and try downloading or updating again. Solution 11. Reinstall app. Uninstall the app, then reinstall from Google Play.